Back for question 20 already? Good on you. So this is all about VDO. I don't like VDO, full disclaimer, but I believe that VDO was removed from the exam objectives at the point of the recording of this video. So I don't think VDO is part of things, but I will include it here anyways, just in case. Okay? So they want you to create a video volume with 50 gigabytes. That's just that with on the mount point under data. Okay? That's just that. So in order to install, there are many ways to do that, but it should be enough to do DNF install video -y. You should get everything taken care of, okay? Or else you can do this LVM2 video kmod video -y. In theory, install video works, but if you want to take care of everything to make sure that nothing fails, just install LVM2 video kmod kvideo and you should be good to go. Cool. Now at this point in I'm using Rocky 9.5. They are going to use RHEL 9.5 or 9.4. Video, it's part of the system. It's part of LVM. So in the old ways to configure this, video was about its own service and its own tools. But now it's integrated with LVM, which is, it's good, I guess, because it's not a service. It's something in the kernel, which is a big step forward. But let's carry on. So I need to check my notes here because I don't do this often, so I need to check my notes. So we need to create a logical volume on a VG. So let's create a VG with enough space. So let's create a partition. Let's check lsblk. We can use STC. It's just sitting there looking pretty. So I'm not even going to create a partition. I'm going to do PVC, STC, I'm sorry. At the exam, evaluate all of this. PVS, okay. Now I'm going to create a volume group there. VG create. I don't know, let's call it video. I don't know, volume group. That should be good enough. /dev/SDC. It should be good enough. VGS. You have now one called video volume group, which is fine. Now the hard part comes here. It's a big command, but let's do it. LV. I have this in my notes. In the exam, you need to actually make sure to remember this, or go to the main page to get some bearings. Video. Let's call it video logical volume. I call it LV, but let's give it 50 gigabytes effective, 50 gigabytes virtual. So just 150, so it's fine. So this is going to be made on video volume group. And let's call it video pool. And sufficient space. Oh yeah, yeah. My partition it's not big enough. Okay, that's fine. Let's how big it was? 33. So let's give it 33. 30. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's quite kind of on the borderline. So my VDC disk is not big enough, but to give it 50, let's give it a little bit less. It's fine. Throughout the exam, you will get the enough space. I just made not a big enough VDC drive, but on the actual exam, you will have access to a big enough disk. It's fine. Cool. And now it's LVM. So LVS, there we go. Video pool, it's there. It's not quite as big as the one they requested on my question. That is 50. It's fine. I just threw the number 50 there. They could be during the real exam. It can be less, because on the last exams that my students done and I have done myself, video was not part of the exam. So I just threw the number 50 there as an example. It's a round number. That's fine. They probably will ask you a smaller number. That's fine. The process is the same. So it's the same thing. I just made up some numbers. It's fine. The important thing is we have the video pool here, which is great. That's what we want. Now you just need to create a partition. Okay, and you should be okay. You should be perfectly okay. So we have here the video pool. It looks fine and dandy. And we have created the pool as they wanted it. So let's go LV scan. And we have here the video pool, okay, which is again, it's perfectly fine. I mean, now you just need to create a directory and mount it, and you should be perfectly good to go. So I just made a cut here, so you guys don't have to wait. So I just formatted the volume, which is again logical volume name. You just formatted it, and it's fine. I'm using XFS. They will specify that in exam too, but if not, assume XFS. ls blk, and we are good to go. blk id. Since this is formatted, it's right here at the bottom. Now you just need to go get this, for example. Go to your FS tab. So go to, that's video mount. Good job. What is called? It's on the data /data. Oops. /data. XFS defaults 00. 7 quits, and now we test. Cool. Okay, there we have it. 50 gigabyte, and we should be a-okay. So this is video. Video since can be a little bit confusing, so I highly advise you to watch this more than once and check it out, because there have been lots of changes between the first iterations of video on RHEL 9 and now it's different. It kind of made a change from being a service to being a kernel module. But go and check it out, watch it again at least 2 times, experiment, and it should be a-okay. And don't forget, you can always ask me in the comments below any questions you may have. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys, and good luck.